Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to stop iPhone buzzing sound when connecting lightning cable. So when you are in silent mode and even you are connecting lightning cable, at that time buzzing sound is coming. So here is how to stop it. Go to settings. From here tap on sound and haptics. Scroll down. You'll see this option, system haptics. Turn it off. If you turn it off, the buzzing sound when connecting to lightning cable will not be appear, will not come. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.